Okay, so
Sure.
the order number is 1185962767461.
Okay, so we are on the same page. So I'm just checking this order number that you just given to me, and it seems that there is no order here associated here at Amazon. Have you already checked your friend's account? Yeah, if it was successfully placed.
So he sent to me some screenshots, and I'm afraid I don't know right now if they are photoshopped or something. And it's like for phone, it's Xiaomi, and it says that it should be delivered on March 26th.
I see, understand. Do you know the email address of your friend's account? Do you have it,
No,
the email address?
no, but I
Oh,
know, but I can provide you like,
you don't know also the phone number because I'm just checking here the order number that you just given to me. This is
oh,
111
yes, yes,
1859
yes.
9627 679 461.
Yes.
It seems that there is no order here at Amazon.com.